Today we're going to learn how to make a popcorn stitch garland. These are really pretty and very easy to make. You could make them in Christmas colours and hang them on your Christmas tree, or you could make an orange and a black one for Halloween. Very, very easy and effective. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And all we're going to do now is chain 3. And now we're going to place 5 double crochets into our first chain. That's double crochet in US terms. So you yarn over into your first chain, pull through, now pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. Now into the same chain, yarn over again, insert your hook, pull through 2. This is our second one, yarn over, that's our third one, into the same chain, fourth one, and a fifth one. Now you're going to want to pull up this loop a little bit higher, and we're going to bring the popcorn together. You need to count 5 stitches. We want to secure it in the 5th stitch from where we finished, so don't count this big loop. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Want to stick your hook underneath the top of that double crochet, and now also going to go through the last loop, tighten it, now bunch it up together, so you should have 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through both, and that's your first popcorn. Now we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to start the second popcorn in our second chain, so not the first one, this one here. I'm going to put 5 double crochets into that second chain. So yarn over, going to pull through 2 and the other 2. So not the first one, keep working into the second one. That's our second one. Third double crochet. Fourth. And 5th. And again, we pull up this last loop and count back 5 stitches. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook under both strands of the 5th double crochet. Now put your loop back on the hook, tighten a little bit, bunch them together, yarn over and pull through both. And that's our second popcorn. Again, we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could chain 3 and put the double crochets into your first stitch, but it bunches the popcorns together. If you prefer it this way, then carry on with chaining 3 and putting the double crochets into your first stitch, but they're kind of bunched up together. I prefer them when there's a little bit of a space between them. So I'm going to carry on with my chain 4s and put my double crochets into the second stitch. So yarn over, second stitch from the last popcorn, and again we're going to put 5 double crochets into our second chain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, we'll pull up a big loop, count back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get our hook under the top 2 yarns, put our loop back on a hook, tighten, bunch these together, yarn over and pull through both. That's another popcorn. Right, let's do one more together. So we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put 5 double crochets into the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Now you could do more. If you wanted them chunkier, you could carry on. You could do 6 double crochets, 7 double crochets. Just have a play with it and see what you like the best. Now pull up the loop, count back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the loop back on a hook, tighten, and yarn over, pull through both. Now if you did want to put, let's say, 7 double crochets in, you'd have to count back 7, not 5. So let's just have a go at that one. So we'll chain 4, and now we're going to put 7 double crochets into the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and again we just pull up a loop and count back 7 to close it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put your hook under your 7th stitch, put the loop back on and yarn over and close the book on. So you see, so this one would be chunkier than the other one. So have a little play and see which ones you like best.